then ooh. Hey, there are 2G completed. See.
Now start. What's this game?
Tux Max.
How do you play Tux Maths? Can you tell us? How do you play Tux Maths?
I'm pressing these numbers here.
Okay, now tell us what you have to do. Tell slowly so people can understand.
Okay.
What are you doing, Aaron?
I'm playing.
Okay, we know you're playing, but tell us how you play. Okay, the screen says good shot. What's the aim of the game?
What?
What's the aim of the game? What you have to do in this game? Tell everyone nicely and slowly so they can understand. Look this side and tell.
When any numbers are coming and falling down, you have to get them before they can reach and fall on the igloos.
On the igloos. Okay, so when you say get them, what do you mean? You have to get the correct sum, right?
Yes.
Okay, show us how you do it. Say softly, say slowly so that people can understand what you're doing. Now this is the starting screen.
If one thing bangs, if one number goes there, it'll break because those are bombs. If it breaks again, the penguin will go in, and if you win that red one, then he'll come back and he'll sit there and some more snow will come.
Okay.
From a big cloud.
What you're saying is that a sum will fall from the top of the screen, and if you get it correct, then you're saved. But if you get it wrong, then it damages the igloo, right?
Yes.
Show us how it happens. Now tell us what is the sum that is coming.
See.
Okay, now start again. Start it at a simple level so you can play it well. How old are you?
5.
Which class are you in?
Loose Convent.
No, not which school. Which class? Which class?
KG2.
Okay. So you know your maths, or you're just doing it by trial and error here?
I'm doing it here, but it's very difficult. I know my maths, but the other one, it's very difficult.
Okay. So show us some simple one that you can explain, where you get your maths right.
Okay.
Now what are you doing?
Okay.
Setting the level of... What are you doing? Setting how complex it should be? Don't make it too complex.
Yes.
Start.
Okay. I don't know.
If someone is new to this game, how would you explain it to them?
I don't know.
Is it a nice game, a fun game, or a boring game?
It's a nice game and it's fun.
It's fun. How long you can play it for?
I don't know how long.
Now it's time to go to sleep, I think, no? Now it's time to go to sleep.
Oh yes, why are you making me talk so many times? Now it's time to go to sleep, now it's time to go to sleep, now it's time to go to sleep.
I'll put this on the video on YouTube. Okay? Yes?